Introduction: How I became a full-time artist. If someone had told me 4 years ago that I would be making a living from doing what I love, I wouldn't have believed them. I thought that being a successful artist meant having your work in galleries and hoping to get noticed. That is one way of doing it, but it isn't the only way. As a child, I had always loved drawing and colouring for hours on end. I went through hundreds of colouring books and tried every medium of art imaginable. Growing up near London gave me the opportunity to make weekly visits to the National Gallery. I loved dreaming about the day I would be recognised as an artist, sharing my work with the world. As passionate as I was, inevitably I was told to pick a real career. Does this sound familiar? I don't understand why we are told so young that art and music are just hobbies, not career paths. We are guided into academic fields like law, medicine, and engineering while considering the arts as less valuable. So initially, I chose to pursue engineering. During my career as an engineer, I achieved a master's in aerospace engineering, a master's in space studies, worked as a mechanical engineering consultant, and interned at NASA Ames Research Center. I also started my PhD entitled Lasering Metallic Powder for In Situ Resource Utilization. I'm proud of what I achieved before the age of 25, but I had always felt like something was missing. I didn't wake up every day excited about my work or feel passionate about the projects I was working on. I couldn't understand why others felt that way. Was there something wrong with me? Was I just one of those people that lacked passion for my career even though they liked doing it? Alongside my engineering career, I took small opportunities to draw and paint, creating artworks for friends and family. This caught the attention of a friend who commissioned me to draw their cat. It was fulfilling and rewarding to be paid for my artwork, and I wondered if this was something I could explore further. In an effort to understand if I was good enough to draw professionally, I posted the drawing of the cat on Facebook. I was shocked by the response. My inbox was full of people inquiring about my prices and services for pet portraits. My pet portrait business was born. There has never been a better time to start your art career. Social media has made it easier to reach potential customers and engage with people that like your work. There are no barriers to entry and no necessary qualifications. I wrote this book because I want to empower artists to believe in themselves and show them how to make art into a viable profession. You don't have to get a so-called real job to pay the bills. Art can pay your bills and give you a happy and fulfilling career. In this book, I will share with you everything I have learnt and everything you need to know about starting a commission-based art business. I also want to make one thing very clear. You don't have to be a pet portrait artist for this book to apply to you. The content is applicable to any creative of any medium wanting to take commissions. I won't be talking about drawing techniques or materials. This book is purely all about the business side of things. I will talk about the importance of customer service, as repeat customers and referrals make up around 60% of my income. How to market and price your artwork will also be covered, and you will learn the value of PR. Even if you have already started your business, this book will still be helpful in showing you ways to develop and create opportunities to reach your potential as an artist. There is nothing in this book that will be above you or impossible to do. If I can do it, then so can you. Make notes, highlight bits. Really use this book as a resource for your business. Growing your business takes 3 key things: time, patience, consistency. I was told that nothing worth having is easy, and this is particularly true when it comes to starting your own business. It's definitely the hardest thing I've ever done, and I did 2 engineering master's degrees, but it has been the most fulfilling journey of my life so far. If I can inspire one person with this book and help them on their journey to fulfilling their dreams, then I have done my job and it was worth writing. Please enjoy this book, and remember, if not now, when? Love, Sema.